everybody, I'm Stelios, and today I'm going to be tearing out my old, dated, painted green kitchen. This is going to be a video series. It's going to comprise of about 7 different episodes. This episode today is going to focus on my farmhouse style sink, which is going to go right here. We're taking this beast out and we're going to replace it with something better. The next video in the series is going to be right of the sink. It's going to be a couple drawers up top, a couple doors. Next is going to be left of the dishwasher. That'll be the third part of the series. That's going to go right in here. And then I'm going to follow that series up with a segment I like to call small cabinets, which is going to fill in the last 2 blocks here and the left and right of the stove. Next, the final of the series is going to be building a cabinet around my refrigerator. We've got a lot of open space here that I think we can do better on. So guys, please, let's get started on the farmhouse sink and get this project rolling.